So I always say at 3:47 in the morning, cold in your eye, if I wake you up and say, hey, I got a crowd for you, and I need you to create content in either video, audio, written, or photo, what would be your natural way of creating, right? Everybody scream out what would be your natural way. Video, audio, photo, what would be y'all's? And why y'all not doing it every day? You feel me? Because it's 3:47 in the morning, you're not thinking. But when it's 10 o'clock in the morning, now all of a sudden we thinking. And we're like overthinking. We're like, nah, hold on. Let me. But when you have called it, all right, hold on. So let me add this value to you real quick. All right, and I'm done. So really when it comes to starting out and figuring out how to grow, we have to be our natural self first and foremost, get in a rhythm with that. And then, okay, let me get into the trends. Let me get into Google. Let me start typing it out. Let me start going into ChatGPT, write out some of my pain points and things like that. But if we don't know who we are and our natural selves first, it means nothing.